Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your pending Robux on a mobile device. This is going to work for both Android and iOS devices, so let's just get into it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up a web browser such as Google Chrome or Safari, because you can't do this on the Roblox app. So once you get on your web browser, you just want to come to roblox.com and you'll probably see a pop-up like this. Now what you want to do is under this big continue in app button, you're going to see a little continue in browse. You want to click on that. And then that's going to take you to the Roblox homepage where we need to be. You might need to sign into your account before you're taken here, but once you are here, what you'll need to do next is click on the Robux icon in the top right. And then you want to click on this first option here. It's going to say a number and then Robux. And then if you scroll down a little bit, right under sales of goods, you're going to see your pending Robux. As you can see, I don't have any. So that's pretty much how you see your pending Robux. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.